Lastly, the biggest purchase. This one isn't an item. Number one. Yo, what's up guys? So today we are going to do some purchases, items that I think is quite, beneficial for us designer or for freelance graphic designer or for design students, for anyone, honestly, for anyone who are interested in creative fields and all that kind of stuff. The first item that I would really recommend is sketchbook. Now, it can be digital, traditional, anything you want. Perhaps sketchbook is just something like your journal. It's like your creative journal that you can reflect upon, right? You can write things down, write your ideas down, and suddenly you start to get more understanding of how your brain actually kind of works. This is sort of like a journaling, but it's more for creative projects, for creative ideas, for design, for arts, and for other creative fields. Second is some sort of like noise cancelling headphone, because if you go outside and work, or basically if you work in your room but there's some distractions, you don't really want that distractions, honestly. So perhaps get a AirPods or noise cancelling headphone or AirPod Max. Just kidding. So actually just have a noise cancelling headphone. It's gonna help a lot, and it's gonna help you focus on what the things that you wanted to do. Third thing is good monitor. And despite having two monitors is essential for you, man. Like, come on. I mean, like, people may argue like, oh, it kills productivity or some sort, but no, bro. If you're doing some sort of design stuff, right? Having multiple screen real estate is really essential and crucial. Trust me when I say this, that when I bought a new monitor that is specifically built for graphics, right? And I use it with my old monitor as a second monitor, honestly, my productivity skyrockets and I get my things done really quickly. And because like I have a lot of room to play around with, or just get a wide monitor at that point. Yeah, it depends on your budget as well. Get a dual monitor or get a good monitor that is quite wide to have room for real estate. Monitor lamp. Dude, this is a killer, bro. This is a killer for having a monitor lamp on your desk. At first, you're probably not gonna think like, why do I need the monitor lamp? Like, why do I need some lights to be shined towards why do I want lights on top of my face all the time? After having it, bro, I don't know how I could live without it. Like before, it kind of helps you, like your eyes not gonna be drained that much, honestly. Now this one as well, this one is really crucial. It's the chair, guys. It's the fucking chair. Like, if you have high budget, just go for a standing desk that you can sit up and just sit whenever you want and stand whenever you want. So yeah, that's probably the key main factor, because like, bro, if you work in design all days, your ass gonna be killed, bro. Like it's gonna be fucking terrible, because you're gonna have a back pain, or you're gonna have some problem with sitting and standing. I had that problem before. Like, not gonna lie, bro, it's not fun. So that's something you have to look into it. Get a good economic chairs for you to sit, make yourself comfortable, make your space more inspirational. And yeah, talking about health, right? Bro, let's talk about some fitness stuff. If you probably go to gym, that's great. Buy a pull-up and a dip bar. This one is, bro, like, it's just like how many dollars? Like $30 or something, and it changes you. It makes you have better posture, because if you train your back, your posture is gonna look good and you gain some muscles. So why not? This one is the tablet Wacom that I was talking about, that I had for like 6 years now, and I had no problem, and it has absolutely killed it. Like, I don't have any problem with it. Just works fine, great as always. And when you have a tablet, it's quite nice to be able to draw things and try to arrange it using pens instead of mouse. I mean, mouse does work as well, but it's kind of weird. You can like become more precise with it. The next thing is studio light. Studio light is like this soft light box that you usually see in cinematography films, but this one is quite like basic lighting stuff. It actually it's quite nice when you actually make something. You can actually take photo of it. You just have a nice soft light. It actually comes down to your usage of it, but it's quite nice to have some sort of light source that you can rely on when you don't have any light source. Right now I'm in the top of the building, and it's quite nice to have natural light instead of like artificial lighting. Next thing is the biggest purchases, and it's probably one of the best purchases in investment I have done so far, which is MacBook. MacBook really kills it. Like, I have been using Potato PC, bro. Potato PC for like years and you know, like when I render stuff, it actually used to take me like 3 hours to render. Now it actually takes me like what, 3 minutes or something to just render characters posing. Boom, bro. Like literally a game changer, and it helps my workflow much easier, and everything just smooth, bro. Like especially like M1 Pros or all that kind of stuff, it actually works well. But if you are looking into like game, you know, like 3D stuff, I don't actually recommend Mac that much. Honestly, just go with Windows instead. But if you also gonna use it, plan to use it for other creative software as well that requires you to use, they are only made in Macs, definitely go for MacBooks. It's worth the investment, trust me. And lastly, the biggest purchase, I mean the purchase so far that I made, this one isn't an item, which is experience. Because back in the days, I was used to stay at home. I used to stay at home a lot, just play video games and all that kind of stuff, bro. Use money to buy experience, just hang out with friends, just go outside, just play outside, go outside a lot more often. You're gonna learn a lot of things more, and it's gonna help you improve a lot. If you were similar to my younger self, you're probably gonna relate it to this, because I used to be the kid who just go back home, school, just live my life, video games, all that kind of stuff. But I know it's kind of cringe saying this, but I mean, like, don't be afraid to spend your money with experiences, because memories last forever. It lasts within you. When you're on your deathbed, you're gonna be realizing a lot of stuff. You're gonna be thinking back. Memories, you can think back at it all the time, store it. You will develop yourself into a person who you never really thought of becoming. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just came back from college and just go up film this before it goes night, before before the dawn is gone. Look up. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.